It's really important to make sure you have a really strong Wi-Fi connection because Ring devices are Wi-Fi based. Some things you can do are make sure that you have the router very close to your device and just double check and make sure you have a strong connection. Also, you can check on your device's RSSI, which you can find by going into your device, selecting device health, and checking out the signal strength. As you can see, if it's green, it means you have a good connection. Another thing you can do is get a mesh network like Eero to ensure you have a strong connection all over your house. And finally, you can also download our Rapid Ring app, which is a slimmed down version of the Ring app that allows you to quickly answer events and live view. It's a great companion app, really easy to install, and has really quick and easy notifications and settings. And those are some great ways you can optimize your performance. If you have any questions, drop us a comment and we'll try to get to it in one of our next episodes of Ask Ring. See you soon.